Why do 90% of Wichita residents choose us for their drain emergencies? Stay tuned. When a drain emergency strikes, you don't have time to wait. That's where we come in. At Emergency Drain Cleaning, we're here for you 24/7 with a lightning-fast response time of just 2 hours. Worried about the cost? Don't be. We offer top-notch service at an affordable price, making sure your wallet stays happy. And contacting us? Couldn't be easier. Just dial 316-669-7533 or find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at Emergency Drain Cleaning. We're proud to serve Wichita and the surrounding areas, providing same-day service that gets your drains flowing smoothly again. So next time your drains act up, remember, fast, friendly, and affordable is just a call away. Emergency Drain Cleaning, your local drain heroes. Call us now at 316-669-7533. Because when you're in a drain emergency, we're the team you can trust.